Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you for another garden to table and best way to cook bottle gourd or calabash that is freshly harvested from my small backyard garden. So let's get started. One of the best way to cook bottle gourd or calabash. So first let's heat this pan or pot, and then we're going to add some olive oil to it, and then onions. We're going to saute some onions, and then let's wait until it's getting a little cook, and let's add some garlic as well. So let it simmer for a bit, and then I have here already chopped up some green onions and bell peppers and tomatoes. You can drop this as well. Once the onions and the garlic starts to have this golden brown colors, we can mix it together and saute it as well. This is really very good and healthy bottle gourds. Have you grown bottle gourds before? If not, I have a separate video for you guys. So here, peeled and chop it already, and then I'm going to drop these mussels. Mussels are really very flavorful, similar to clams. But the reason why I drop some mussels here, it is because they are really good infused of flavor for bottle gourd. Compare if you'll just going to cook it with just vegetables alone. And then drop some this chopped bottle gourds. I just peel and remove the seeds, and then the reason why I put the bottle gourd the same with the mussels, which is the pre-cooked mussels that cook in garlic and butter, is for the bottle gourd to hug and get the flavor already, since it is really easy to cook. Bottle gourd can just be cooked for less than 10 minutes. Depends on the slice or size of it. It can cook very well. You can just add salt and pepper to taste. And then I have here chopped some green onions from the garden, and it is very easy. Then you can cover it up and simmer it. This is really good, guys. I highly recommend growing your own bottle gourds, or if you get bottle gourd from the store, this is really great way to cook it. And there you go, this is very easy bottle gourd recipe. If you're interested in growing your own green onions, I made a separate video for you guys. You might want to check it out later. So there you go, friends, that's another bottle gourd recipe. And the best way to cook bottle gourd is adding meat or fish or anything that enhance the flavor, because sometimes bottle gourd has really this bland taste. So the best way to cook it is to mix it with meat. If you like to eat meat or shrimp, seafoods, to enhance the flavor. But if you're a vegetarian, you can eat it all by itself, and that's good as well. And thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. You might want to check it out. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.